Nothing says good morning like a hot bowl of oatmeal, does it? Creamy, slightly nutty, and even a little sweet, oats are truly one of the most unique, humble superfoods you can eat. They are energizing, provide satiety, and can be used to improve your workouts. They are one of the most recommended foods for preventing heart disease, lowering your blood sugar, and improving nervous system function. But that's not all there is to love about oats. They are also quite unique and interesting. And in today's video, we will tell you fascinating facts about them that you may have not heard of before. From being a natural beauty food, treating dandruff, being a natural cleanser, promoting antioxidant activity to helping treat hypertension and more, watch till the end to learn about all of them. Welcome back, viewers. I'm Dr. Rex and welcome to HealthConcern channel. Before we begin, kindly use some of the time to subscribe to this lovely channel. And leave us a like on this video to support the channel. Thanks for doing that. Now let's begin. Different varieties all have similar nutrition. There's a misconception that instant oats are somehow inferior and steel-cut are the most nutritious. But whether you choose quick, old-fashioned, or steel-cut oats, they all provide roughly the same nutrition. About 4 grams of fiber, 4 to 6 grams of protein per serving, and similar amounts of vitamins and minerals. Although steel-cut oats take longer to cook and may have a bit more fiber. Oats are processed in a way that doesn't strip off the nutritious bran or germ, so you get all of that whole grain goodness. And even though oatmeal is processed in different ways like steel-cut and old-fashioned, they all maintain the bran and germ. The difference is just in how they are milled. For steel-cut oats, the grains are run through steel blades that thinly slice them, while old-fashioned oats are steamed and then rolled to produce a flatter shape. Since they are all 100% whole grain, containing all parts of the oat, you can buy the kind you like best. Which type of oat do you prefer? Is it rolled, steel-cut, or Scottish? Tell us quickly down below in the comment section. A bowl for breakfast can keep you full till lunch. The beta-glucan in oatmeal is famous for stabilizing blood sugar. And because it helps you avoid those blood sugar highs and lows, having a bowl first thing in the morning can keep cravings at bay. Plus, oatmeal may enhance your workout. A study found that eating oatmeal about 3 hours before exercise helped boost endurance. They've been around for centuries. Before Quaker made its way to our shelves and Cheerios became one of the most popular oat-based cereals, whole grain oats were eaten by a large number of people from the earliest of times. Dating back to 7000 BC, oats were one of the first cereals cultivated by man and were used in ancient China and even Greeks, who were the first to turn them into a porridge. They are a natural beauty food. 1/2 cup of oats has over 25% of your recommended amount of biotin. It is a B vitamin responsible for a healthy metabolism and digestion. It also contributes to great hair, skin, and nails. So, why not just eat some oats and benefit the natural way instead? Other plant-based sources of biotin include almonds and chia seeds, 2 perfect oatmeal toppings. Oats are also a great source of protein, which stimulates collagen formation in the body. Collagen is what keeps your skin looking soft and supple, and anti-inflammatory sources such as oats are a much better option than inflammatory animal product sources. Helps you sleep. Our society has ingrained in us that oatmeal is a breakfast food, although it is also a wise choice before bedtime. In fact, the Scottish recommend a bowl of oatmeal in the evening to get you feeling nice and sleepy. Why is oatmeal good before bed? Well, oats actually contain melatonin and complex carbohydrates that can help more tryptophan get into the brain and help you sleep. Oatmeal also contains many vitamins, including B6, which is a cofactor that also aids in the production of more serotonin in the brain. Treats dandruff. You just need 1 cup of oatmeal. Pour it into a blender and grind it on a medium setting till you get a fine powder. Mix this ground oatmeal with 2 cups of boiling water. Stir until the oatmeal is dissolved completely. Allow the mixture to sit for about 10 minutes. Pour this mixture through a sieve into a medium-sized bowl. To this mixture, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir well. You can skip the lemon juice if you have color-treated hair. Now, add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil to the bowl and stir. You can pour the entire mixture into an empty shampoo bottle. To use, dampen your hair with lukewarm water and work the product into your scalp. Leave it on for 2 minutes and rinse as usual. This homemade shampoo also treats itchy scalp and prevents excess oil and dirt. Promotes antioxidant activity. Oatmeal is loaded with special antioxidants unique to oats. Antioxidants are important because they protect your cells from free radicals, which are molecules you produce through metabolism and exposure to environmental toxins. Free radicals increase your risk for cancer and heart disease because they are unstable. The special antioxidants found in oats inhibit inflammation and boost your production of nitric oxide, which prevents hardening of your arteries. A study showed that the avenanthramides in oats decreased the spread of colon cancer cells. Keeps the bad bugs away. Oats' beneficial fibers come specifically from a type of soluble fiber known as beta-glucans, which have been found to improve immune function and keep illness-causing harmful bacteria away. Beta-glucans in oats have also been linked to preventing cancer, especially breast and colon cancer. This is proof that eating oatmeal as part of a healthy, balanced diet is a wonderful way to take care of your immune system naturally. Try topping your oats with high antioxidant berries to protect your body even further. It's been the root of a long-running dispute in the UK. Samuel Johnson's 1755 dictionary defined oats as a grain, which in England is generally given to horses, but in Scotland appears to support the people. The Scotsman's retort to this was, "That's why England has such good horses, and Scotland has such fine men." It's the inspiration for one of the most popular drugstore brands. Because of their natural anti-itching properties, oats are used in the cosmetic industry for a variety of products. The name Aveeno, which is a very popular drugstore brand for instance, comes from the botanical name Avena, for oats. Helps lower your rate of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is caused by poor insulin function, known as insulin resistance. This is where insulin can't reach the cells efficiently due to too much harmful fat or because a diet is high in processed foods with high amounts of refined sugar eaten. Oats are one of the few whole grains that has repeatedly been linked to lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. This is because they contain over 300 milligrams of magnesium, a superstar nutrient that balances your blood sugar to help you take care of your insulin levels naturally. Their high fiber content ensures they are digested slowly, which helps release insulin more slowly into the bloodstream, leading to reduced amounts of blood sugar spikes. Their high magnesium and fiber content is even recommended as a remedy against constipation. If you are a diabetic, it is very important for you to keep track of the foods you're eating. It's a natural cleanser. Oats contain compounds called saponins that act as natural cleansers and remove the dirt and oil from the pores. And by the way, they don't cause irritation. You can prepare oat milk by soaking them in water, which will act as a natural cleanser and toner. Apply the milk to your face using a cotton pad after washing your face. You can also use oat bran bath for cleansing your skin. Place half a cup of rolled oats in a cloth and tie it into a small bag. Place this bag in your bathtub and press until all the milk is out. You can use this on your body and face instead of soap for mild scrubbing. Helps treat hypertension. Eating oats was found to reduce systolic blood pressure by 7 points and diastolic blood pressure by 5 points. It not only reduces your blood pressure, but also cuts the risk of heart disease by 22%. Addition of oats to the normal diet of hypertensive patients produced beneficial effects. The study concluded that soluble fiber-rich oats could be an effective dietary therapy to prevent and treat hypertension. Another study suggests that a diet rich in oats can reduce the need for antihypertensive medications. The beta-glucan in oats also displays beneficial effects on carbohydrate metabolism and blood pressure levels in obese individuals. Oatmeal has also been shown to reduce the levels of stress hormones and boost serotonin, inducing a feeling of calmness. All of this also contributes to low blood pressure. Can be used to treat poison ivy or chickenpox. For thousands of years, oatmeal has been used for treating poison ivy and symptoms of chickenpox. For relieving the itchiness caused by them, pour oat flour onto a cheesecloth. Tie this around the bathtub faucet and periodically squeeze out water for a tepid bath. You can also rub the pouch on the itchy areas of your skin. When do you prefer eating oats? Is it for breakfast, lunch or dinner? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this one. Bye for now.